Hi guys, it's Jordan Watson, and this is my 2010 bike check. The new updated one. Odi Longneck Grips. Stolen Tallboy chromoly bars, 8-inch rise, 28 wide. Shadow Strike front load stem. Stolen top cap and stolen fork bolt. Stolen Cyclone D3 chromoly forks that are bent. I don't recommend getting them. Shadow Conspiracy little ones pegs. Stolen Revolver front wheel. Stolen Tioga 20 by 2.25 100 psi tire. Shadow Conspiracy metal Ravager pedals in red. Just stock stolen cranks, basically the same as the mobs. Eastern Medusa 25-tooth sprocket. Kmc Halflink chain. Then in the back I've got a Shadow little one peg in purple. Stolen Revolver wheel with a 9-tooth driver, and then the stolen Tioga 100 psi 20 by 2.25 tire. Shadow slim pivotal seat, slimmer with the purple stitching. Proper blue seat post clamp. I've got the stolen Sinner 2010 frame in raw, and just a regular stolen headset. And yeah, that's my bike. So,